Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today, date is 16 December 2021, and I am teaching you chapter number 16. Name of the chapter, Weather and Season. So student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So in the previous video, student, after completing the chapter, we have completed the book exercises of the chapter, and after that we start question number D, that is give short answers. Question number D, give short answers. So question number 1, what do you mean by a weather? We have already completed this question in our classwork copy. Question number 2, name the 4 things on which weather depends upon. So this question also we have completed. Now today we will start with question number 3, what is hibernation? Give example. What is hibernation? Give example. So what is hibernation? Give example. So student, during winter some animals go to a long sleep, and this is known as hibernation, and some example are bear and lizard. So at the time of a winter, some animal go on long sleep during the winter time, and this time is known as hibernation. And some example of the animals are like bear, lizard. So these are the examples. Note down the answer. Some animals go on a long sleep during winter is called hibernation. Is called hibernation. For example, bear and lizard. So some animals go on a long sleep. Okay, some animals go on a long sleep during winter is called it hibernation, and some of the examples are deer and lecher. Next, we will start question number E. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Okay. Now, what question number? First of all, I read question for you. Question number 1. What do you mean by water cycle? Explain with the help of a diagram. Okay. So, first of all, note down the question. What do you mean by water? What do you mean by water cycle? Explain with the help of a diagram. Explain with the help of a diagram. So student, first of all, let's discuss what is a water cycle. So as we know that student, water exists in three forms, that is solid, liquid, gas. Solid form is known as ice, liquid form is the water, and gaseous form is known as the water vapor. So when the rays of the sun falls on water bodies, and water bodies which are present on the surface of the earth are sea, oceans, river, ponds, river, lakes. So these are the water bodies which are present on the surface of the earth. So student, when the sunlight falls, and as we know that what we get light, and we also get heat from the sun. So due to this heat on heating, what happens? The water change in the form of a vapor, that we say water vapor. And when the water change in the form of a water vapor, then it become very light in weight and it rises up in the sky. Okay, that is the reason student we say that in the air water is also present in the air in the form of a water vapor, in the form of a water vapor. So due to the heat of the sun on heating, the water change in the form of a water vapor, and then the weight of the water become very less when it change in the form of a gas, that is water vapor, and it rises up. So when it come in touch of the cool air, then what happens, student? When it come in touch with the cool air, then again the water vapor change in the form of a liquid, and this process is known as condensation, and this happens due to when the water on cooling, the water vapor change in the form of a liquid. Okay, and these small drops of a water, they join together to form the clouds. Okay, and when these drops of water become very heavy, they start coming from the clouds in the form of a rain, and this is the continuous process. This is a continuous process. Okay, and this process is known as water cycle. And in the places where their temperature is very cool, in that places these raindrops freeze and they falls in the form of a snow also, where the temperature is very less, especially in the mountain areas where we see this type of condition. This type of condition we will see in the mountain areas. So this is known as water cycle. Note down the answer. The air heated, by the sun, rises upward. The air heated by the sun rises upward and carries water vapor. The water vapor, the water vapor rises in the sky and forms cloud. When these clouds cool down, it rains. The whole process continues. The whole process continues in the atmosphere. This is called water. This is called water cycle. Okay, this process is called water cycle. The air heated by the sun rises upward and carries water vapor. The water vapor rises in the sky and forms clouds. When these clouds cool down, it rains. The whole process continues in the atmosphere. This is called water cycle. You can take a screenshot. After that we have to draw a diagram also. So this white portion, it is covered by the snow. So what is this? This is a cloud. Sun. This is evaporation. Rain. the form of a water vapor. This is C. So student, this is the diagram of a water cycle. Okay, thank you student.